morning, Mr. Simoncelli's math students. Today I'm going to give you guys a quick um, kind of breakdown of what every Friday will likely look like. So for today, I wanted to kind of show you on OneNote what to expect and what to go through if in fact you haven't already done so. Flipgrid, you do need to set up ASAP. I'll go ahead and just refresh here. This particular class is my period 1 Algebra 2 1 of 3 student group. Um, this can be done in any class, of course, if you don't already have a Flipgrid. My calculus students, you already have a Flipgrid, so this is not something you have to go through. Please do set that up ASAP, log in with your Microsoft account. And then when it comes to accessing Flipgrid, which you are going to do today for the first time, many of you, you're going to do it in the following manner. Here's what Flipgrid looks like. So the calculus classes, for example, they have been doing this since last semester. They post videos. Okay, now there's two ways to do this for me. You can write the problem before you record it, but you still need to explain it once you record it. So you write, and after you've written every single step, let's say, you record it, but you have to talk your way through it. The other option for recording a video via Flipgrid is to write, talk, and record at the same time. I would prefer that, but some folks can't necessarily do that easily. So one of those two options. Here's a quick example of a student work in which he actually did a combination of talking, writing, and recording, and some of which was already done in advance of recording. Now you can't hear the audio, but he does explain very well each step of the process. What he's already written, he even reads the problem. This is the preferred approach in terms of kind of pre-writing some things, but as you'll see in a minute here, he's going to write some things down, and that actually saves him some time. But he gets the points across that he needs to. And he's going to write some things down and explain in addition to what he already has written. So he's talking about simplifying this equation a little bit more, using the numbers and the variables in context. So 1 over 18 pi equals dr dt. So that is a calculus problem, obviously, but that can certainly be extended to any class. That's the expectation. So today you're going to do what I just said via Flipgrid, and you're going to post it. Next week, Monday, things really kick into gear in terms of the expectations for grading. If you read the emails that I've been sending, the most recent one under the continued messages page, that highlights on March 23rd the expectations of what we're going to be doing. So if you haven't gotten onto Flipgrid, set up an account, or gotten onto OneNote lately, you absolutely need to do that ASAP because expectations are shifting. I'm going to be accommodating in this process, but I do ask that you guys kind of get this going sooner than later because Monday I'll be checking everything. I'll be checking Flipgrid, I'll be checking your OneNote, and I'll be giving you more instructions along the way. As far as the calendar goes for today, this is again my period 1 Algebra 2 class. You can see on Friday, today, the Flipgrid check-in begins. They'll record and post one problem from this week. So literally pick any problem from that week, and this is going to be with all my classes. Just pick any one problem that you've done and just record yourself. Post it to Flipgrid, and we should be good to go. If you have any questions, folks, please feel free to email. Thank you.